Are you still using me to find your customers? If so, it's time to make the switch to internet marketing with Fathom Global Video Production. Watch the video and fill out the form after the video, and a video internet marketing specialist will get back to you immediately. Just for visiting, you'll receive 1,000 points, redeemable for your choice of a vacation or even a cruise at our Redemption Club. Every website and business needs internet ranking, traffic, qualified leads, and customers. What separates your product, service, or information from customers is distribution. It's about getting your message out often and in the right format so the search engines find and rank you quickly. The secret to online distribution is sending your content to as many video, social media, bookmarking, social networking, podcasting, and directory sites as possible. When done properly, you'll dominate search engines with listings when people search for your product or service keywords. This is how social networking sites help generate tremendous amounts of traffic, leads, and sales for any business. By putting your content on these sites, you are virtually guaranteed to dominate your competitive keywords and phrases in the search engines. If you have a great message for prospects, combined with a great offer, you can own your target niche. For most businesses, lack of time is the problem. It takes a lot of time to manually submit your content to all the most popular video, social networking, media, podcasting, and directory sites, not to mention blogs and cross-promoting sites. That's why you need Fathom Global Video Production. Fathom Global handles the entire process for you. We distribute and syndicate your content to the most popular social media sites in minutes to rapidly dominate the search engines. Many of our customers see results in minutes and see search engine keyword domination in days or even hours. And Fathom Global doesn't stop there. We have other features that help you grow your business and maintain a high-quality relationship with customers. Just one example is a video lead page feature, which captures contact information, then automatically notifies you when you have a new lead and follows up with the prospect. All you have to do is run your business. Let Fathom Global run your internet marketing. We don't have to convince you that your customers are looking for you on the web. Old ways of finding businesses like Yellow Pages, newspapers, and flyers are no longer effective. Let us take your marketing into the 21st century. Just fill out the form after this video and one of our reps will contact you shortly. If you want this lead generation system, hit the Buy Now button and we will contact you immediately to plan your internet marketing program, including your commercial, webpage, and incentive program. Thank you for your time and see you at the top.